The nominees are
Gabriel Byrne, Quirk.
I've never been able to eat breakfast.
Prefer to drink it, I suppose.
Jamie Dornan, The Fall.
Of course I believe in God. And Jesus Christ, too. I've seen angels ascending and descending Jacob's ladder. Is that what you want to hear? Makes no odds what I believe, Jimmy. It's what you believe that matters.
Chris O'Dowd, Moonboy.
Hey, you look like an idiot. Let's look like an idiot together.
Tom Von Lawler, Love-Hate.
For fuck's sake, please, man, I'm trying to start this. Hey, what's the name? It's good for him to come. A person like that, Thomas fucked in the head, what is it?
Appropriate adult.
Appropriate adult, that's it, that's all I need. Keep your phone on Dave, it's an emergency.
And the winner is Jamie Dornan.
Thank you very much to IFTA for, I don't know how IFTA works, but for ending up with this in my hands. It's very kind. Thank you to everyone who worked in the fall. It's the best professional thing that's ever happened to me, and most of them are sat over there. So thank you to all those guys. Alan Cubitt for creating it, for taking a massive, massive punt on putting me in the driving seat for it. He took a lot of risks and had to convince a lot of people, and I'm very, very grateful for that. Thank you to Gub Neal and Julian Stevens also for producing it, and everyone at Artist Studios. And yeah, enjoy your night. Thanks a million. It's brilliant. Cheers.